Okay, this is a simple future generation desktop application. We call it Gestop or gesture driven desktop. You can see several apps over here: PowerPoint control, Windows Media Player, Acrobat Reader, and Image Gallery control. This is the pane where the images will be appearing from depth camera, the statistics box, one for logging the gestures, and one where gesture hints will be given. Now the size of the controls or tiles are quite huge because we are going to simulate this entirely through our hands. Now let's get started. As I click on the mouse mode, see, I can take control of the mouse purely through my hand, and you can see as I move my hand, the mouse pointer also moves. I can click anything just by closing my hand. You can see here
4 hours 19 minutes.
So it simulates a click. Now I'll start with a simple media player control. You see, as I click there, it comes over here, and I do not have the mouse movement once I come out of Gestop, but I can control this stuff. You see, I can generate the control, and I can control my media player. I'll show you both in parallel. You can see if I sweep it immediately forwards, I can change the volume. Just have an observe at the volume, or I can raise the volume. I can increase the volume, or if I want to stop it, I'll just wave my hand. Fine. I'll again come back to my environment over here. I'll start so once the PPT appears, you see the gestures which you can use are at the last control. You can see and have a look at them, and accordingly you can start controlling. Say I have to pull my finger up, show the thumbs up sign in order to start the PPT. That's what I'm going to do. See, the PPT is started. If I keep showing my thumbs up, the PPT slides will be moving automatically. If I give my thumbs down, the slide is going to come back to the previous slide. And not only that, you see, at the time of presentation, if I want to highlight something, I'll just show V sign, and then I can just move my hands in order to highlight a particular portion. Again, if I show V sign, it is going to be highlighted, and I can continue with my PPT in the normal fashion. Just like your media player, if I want to close this PPT, I'll just wave my hands. See, it's closed. I'll take control over here. Now how you understand that I had closed that with waving my hands? You can see the last gesture over here. It is hand wave gesture through which the PPT was controlled. Now I can just click at this images, and the image will appear from the image directory. You can see I can move along with this images. I can view my gallery. I can view the images of the gallery. Or I can go back. I can go back to the previous image, and this same way, if I wave my hands, this is going to be closed. Now the last thing is I'll show you how the reader could be controlled. I'll open with the reader mode, and there's a PDF reader. See, I can just scroll down with the reader with my thumb down sign, and the reader will be slowly coming down. Want to close it, again you can see it's labeled hand wave. I can minimize this over here. When you want to start, you can again double click, you start with it, and you can start working.
4 hours 24 minutes.
Well, that's all here from Gestop team.